Chef Val here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my creamy chocolate tofu frosting. It's a simple recipe. Take a 10.3 ounce package of silken firm tofu. I prefer to use the organic. Steam the tofu. When you steam the tofu, it becomes more digestible. And then take 1 1/4 cups of your favorite chocolate chips and melt them on the stove. Put the steamed tofu and the melted chocolate chips in a food processor and puree it until you get a creamy consistency. And then put that frosting in the refrigerator for a couple hours. It needs to become completely cold, and then it becomes firm. Take the frosting then and put it on your cake like so, and it spreads wonderful. Now once the cake is completely frosted, you do want to store this in the refrigerator because tofu needs to be refrigerated. This is Chef Val. Come on and have a piece of cake with me.